Hello to all the students. So today we are going to talk about these 7 different type of chemical reactions from your chemistry book. And I'm very much sure that you will be able to classify these reactions very easily after this video. So let's begin it. The first reaction is a synthesis or a combination reaction. Combination itself says to combine something. Okay, to combine something means when two atoms like A and B both combines together and form a single product, we call this reaction synthesis reaction or a combination reaction, because in this reaction two atoms combines to form a single product. Now let me take an example. Carbon plus oxygen molecule makes carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon and oxygen forming carbon dioxide is a synthesis reaction. Okay students, so the second reaction is a decomposition reaction. The D means to remove something or to break something, right? So for example, we have this product A and B. We break this into A plus B. This reaction is called a decomposition reaction because we are breaking the bond between A and B. Now let me give you an example, a very simple example of carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide molecule or a compound, we break this into carbon and an oxygen, right? So after the breakage, this reaction is called a decomposition reaction. The third reaction is a combustion reaction, in which we take a hydrocarbon plus react this hydrocarbon with the oxygen molecule and it will form carbon dioxide plus a water molecule. Okay, always when a hydrocarbon reacts with an oxygen molecule, it will form carbon dioxide and a water molecule. Now this general reaction is called a combustion reaction, in which we are combining it with the hydrocarbon with an oxygen molecule. Now for example, CH4, this is what? A methane molecule plus methane gas react with an oxygen molecule to form carbon dioxide plus a water. Okay, let me balance this. Okay, now the fourth reaction is a neutralization reaction. In a neutralization reaction, a strong acid will react with a strong base and it will form a salt plus a water molecule. Let me give you a general reaction. We know that a strong acid contains an H plus ion and a strong base contains OH ion. And after the reaction, it will form XY as a salt and H2O as a water molecule as byproducts. Okay, the example for this reaction is we take a strong acid as HCl plus strong base as NaOH. Now when they react with each other, they will form NaCl as a salt plus a water molecule. Now how to identify that it is a salt or anything else? Now Na is a metal while Cl is a halogen. So whenever you see both of them with each other, it means they are salt. The fifth one is a single replacement reaction. The word single means only one atom will replace or will switch its position. For example, we take A plus B, C, and after the reaction, you will see that this C will switch its place and becomes AC plus B will be the byproduct. Let me give you an example. For example, potassium K reacts with an NaCl. Now this Cl will switch the position and form KCl plus sodium atom. Now because only one atom is replaced, it means this is a single replacement reaction. Now the sixth one is a double displacement reaction or double replacement reaction. Now the double here means two atoms. Now the two atoms will replace or will switch their positions. Now we take AB plus CD. Now after the reaction, you will observe that this D will move to B side and this B will move to the D side and will form AD plus CB. Okay, you see that both of these atoms will switch their position. These can be an atom, these can be a compound. Now coming to the example, that AgNO3 when reacts with NaCl, it will form this and this. Both will switch their positions and forms AgCl plus sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Okay. Now the seventh reaction is a polymerization reaction. The poly means many and the mers means units. So many units, many monomers will combine together and form a polymer. For example, this is a monomer plus we combine more monomers with each other. For example, we combine 12 monomers with each other. Now after the reaction or after combining, they will be like monomers, and this chain will continue until it forms a polymer, a big chain. Okay. Now let me give you the example. The example is very simple. We take a ethene molecule. This is our ethene molecule, and we take many ethene molecules. For example, put an N, and after the reaction, after the combination of different monomers, we see that this double bond will break from the center and will join other monomers like this, and the chain will continue. This is our polymer. This is a ethene, so this will be a polyethene, right? Okay, so this is a quick summary session. Now we will talk about these reactions in only one sentence. Okay, now the synthesis means to make something. When two different atoms combines together and form a single product, we call it a combination reaction. Now the second is a decomposition, in which a single product is break into two or more than two byproducts. A third one is a combustion reaction, in which a hydrocarbon reacts with an oxygen and it will form carbon dioxide plus water molecule. Now the fourth one is a neutralization, in which strong acid and strong base will combine together and they will form the salt plus water molecule. Now the fifth one is single replacement reaction, means only the one atom or the one compound will switch its position. Now the double displacement reaction says that two atoms or two compounds will switch their positions and the product will be, and the reaction will be, a double displacement or replacement reaction. The last one is a polymerization, in which many monomers will combine together, joins together, and they form a polymer, means many unit molecule. If you like this video, do subscribe this channel and like this video.